What's up, guys? Welcome to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you see us freezing and my voice delaying. Welcome to the channel. I think on YouTube it's okay. I think I'm open there to see. Anyway, I'm Crypto B. Welcome to the show, BitBrothers Crypto. Today we have a nice show. I cannot even see myself. Oh, yeah.
It's all good, Cas. I can see you.
You can see. Anyway, welcome to the show. Today the topic is opportunities ahead in crypto. We've been talking about this in the past few days here. The opportunities that we have in the crypto, it's ahead of us. And only if you understand where the position you are at the moment, or the position we are in the market, that you understand how you can program yourself, let's say program yourself for the next 3 to 6 months into how you're gonna do to have liquidity in order for you to have better positions, to accumulate more tokens, of course, in projects that you believe that you will be able to succeed. So the opportunities ahead, it's there. Yesterday, we were talking about Ethereum might be dropping to $500 to $400. Bitcoins to drop to $12,000. We might see Solana around 15, 20. So the opportunities, maybe these opportunities we are right now on the next, and that will go far on the next 9 months, okay? 6 to 9 months is maybe an opportunity of a lifetime. Depending how you program yourself, how you study and invest on your knowledge now on these first 6 months, and how you're gonna acquire liquidity in order to position yourself better in the markets. This strategy maybe just is the catalyst to change your life. I don't know. We have no crystal ball and to see how things are gonna go. But when Bitcoin was at $1, everybody said that Bitcoin was not gonna succeed, and people were crazy to invest in Bitcoins. And 13 years down the line, here we are. So now the opportunity is much bigger, is vast, because we don't only have Bitcoins, there's so many protocols. Because I do believe that if you want to make a 100x or 1000x, maybe Bitcoins and Ethereum are not the coins for you. Because they will go up to the all-time high. But the probability of they do 100x is very difficult. You know, Bitcoin should do 100x or 1000x because they are already on the S curve. Ethereum might still even go up. So again, I believe they will go back up to the all-time high and past that. But there is so many opportunities out there now that in order for you to understand and choose the best projects for you to jump in, I believe is especially the macro caps. So, but you need to be aware of the space, invest in yourself in order to understand what is there and the opportunities that there is for you. And one thing that you cannot do, sleep on the time. Me and Papa, we're from Brazil, and in Brazil we have a saying that says, não dormir no ponto. Do not sleep in the bus stop. Otherwise, you will miss the bus. And this bus is the bus you don't want to miss. So I will say again something that we say in Brazil. Não dorme no ponto. Do not sleep on the bus stop. Because the opportunity is there. And maybe you have only one bus coming to take you to that opportunity. And not sleeping on the bus stop is studying projects, understanding the market, get 100 guys. You will do homework now for the next 6 months. Save money and invest when the time comes, when the bottle arrives. And this is what you're gonna do. And then after, you just have to sit down back and relax. And again, nothing is financial advice. Don't invest money that you are not willing to lose, because whatever you say here, you might put your money whatever, and the whole crypto market goes to zero, which I don't believe that's gonna happen. But do not, again, and I will repeat, do not eat sleeps on the bus stop. Khalid, I like your last video on the post section. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. Thanks very much. Yeah, I done in fact, yesterday I did the longest live ever, and I think I was the first ever crypto YouTuber to do a live on all the projects on the post chain. I think I covered all of them that were in the list of the post chain news. It took me 3 hours and a half. It was 3:30 in the morning. I was still here speaking up. My mouth was mumbling. I couldn't speak at some point. But anyway, it's there. Have a look. It's very nice as well. So there is opportunities. And in fact, the way I do there, the way I check the Twitter, check the engagement and all of this is more or less the way you are digging up in order to understand projects, to see if they're good, maybe good to run, good to invest, and that kind of thing. So I think this is it from me today. My message is: do not eat sleep on the bus stop that will take you to the best crypto opportunities before the next bull run or bull markets. I am Crypto B, and let's go, brother.
Nice one, guys. Nice one. Papa BitBrother here. Thank you, Casquinha, for the insight. Never sleep on the bus stop. And this is for life, guys. Opportunity comes and goes. And we always say jump on the bus as fast as you can. Because this bus, actually, they don't really stop, isn't it, Casquinha? It's like, if like it goes, just goes. You have to jump on it. It doesn't even have a stop for it. So it's like there is a place where you are stopped, but the bus will just pass and you have to actually jump on it, because these are the opportunities, created not many, very often in our lifetime. Okay. And we are like experiencing one of those. And we truly hope that you guys come on board. Like Khalid said about Casca's PostX video, guys, check this out. Yeah, we keep talking about PostX and Post Chain and everything that's gonna happen with the Post network. Okay, it's another great opportunity for everybody. It's like investing in Ethereum before its launch. Okay, wouldn't you be? We always say, I would love to go back in the past and be involved with Ethereum or Bitcoin and all of this. And people say like, oh yeah, but when you were involved, it was too risky. Even though if you go back to in the past, guys, of course, if you have the knowledge of today, but people in the past, it was very, very risky to understand, because it was totally unknown. People didn't know if this was going to go ahead. So even though even if you were since the beginning there, you probably wouldn't be holding Ethereum from the beginning, unless you lost your wallet. Like, I keep hearing people losing their wallets and then they finding the hard drive. Like, I don't know, millions of Bitcoins and stuff, millions in Bitcoin, not millions of Bitcoin. But it's just things that you hear when people lose their coins and then they found again. But because it was very volatile, people also would trade very quickly. Imagine if you bought Ethereum for like 1 penny and then, or 1 cent, and then went to $1. You know what I'm saying? Wouldn't you sell? You bought for 1 cent and you bought, I don't know, 1 million. you know, and then you went for $1. Imagine if you had 1 cent, you would pay $1,000, and then you went to $1, would you have $1 million? Would you make $1 million like that? You would do it. So, you know, that's why. Anyway, we are in the opportunities right now of the new chains coming up, the new networks coming up, okay, which is Pulse, which is the next one. And yeah, so we probably, you know, everyone, you missed the sacrifice already, but of course you still have the chance of entering once the Pulse, the chain is released. We still, when is the date, Cas? Do you have an idea? Still nothing, isn't it? Still no idea when the Post chain will be released. So you still you
No,
can
there's
still.
no date yet. I think whenever he's ready.
So Casca, you know, but I think he's ready. I think he's just waiting a better time on the market to release.
I think so too. I think so too.
So I think Richard Hart's very clever. He's not going to release something in a bear market. So I think when everything starts to pump, he's going to release. And but if you haven't had the chance to enter PostX and PostChain, you still can enter the projects. There's many projects happening. Guys, every project that there is on Ethereum are being released on PostChain before even the launch of the network. Imagine that. So you can enter projects like Aave, which is about lending and staking. You can enter projects like, you know, many projects that we enter. There's Fiat, which is the Aave equivalent of Ethereum. There's the Mintra, which is like the carbon footprint emission, like token, you know. So anyway, you understand what I mean. So take this opportunity, guys. So now we're gonna quickly look in the market, and the opportunities, like Casca said, they are here for the long term, guys. We keep saying this is the market cap is at 1,047 billion. So look, dominance is 39.6%, one of the lowest we've ever been. The dominance. That means, and also even if for Ethereum, guys, that means there's a lot of altcoins being quite strong, which is not very normal for this idea. But you can see the altcoins are holding strong because of the dominance of the market. It's going low on Bitcoin and it's going low on ETH as well. So that means there are many projects being invested in. We keep saying to you guys, follow the smart money. We brought you where the smart money is going. But you can see here, like Cosmos at 7% on the weekly. You know, I showed you yesterday, like the projects that on the weekly. Look at this: EOS at 16%, Cosmos 7%, Nexus 5%, Huobi 3%, Chili's 3%, Decreed 2%. And so that means when the market's really going, everything's going down, and projects like that are going 16% up, guys. That means that there are a lot of money being invested. Okay, so this could be an amazing opportunity. EOS is a network as well, is a layer one, and it's still, the market cap is $1.6 billion. So a lot of potential. Look at this, Atom is at 3.6 billion. So let's say for EOS to reach Atom, which is kind of also a layer one, is a 3x from here. Okay, so we could easily make a 3x from here just to reach Atom, which is not one of the top layer ones. So opportunities are there. Let's see the losers of the week: Filecoin at 22, Flow at 21, Stepping 19%. So great opportunities here. Okay, Near Protocol, very, very good project. Decentraland, Sandbox, Cardano, Phantom, look at this, 14%. Rune, 13% on the weekly. Solana, Engine, wow, guys. Gala, Chainlink, Algorand, many good projects here for you guys to have a look. For the long run, although most especially saying there's not a good time to buy crypto right now because of the volatility and the market, you know, it will probably hit very hard the altcoins if Bitcoin goes down as people expected. So I wanted to bring this one first. The root says we are at the realized price again. Okay, very little time we've been below the realized price, guys, and we are below it again. Okay, the realized price. So let's see. Realized price has closed below it. Bitcoin has closed below its realized price just above 22,000 every day for exact 1 month. In previous bear markets, which held Bitcoin below the realized price for a prolonged time, this is how many days it took to recover. 2011, 114 days, 2014, 299, and 2018, 133 days. So, okay, if it says here, guys, because we are below the realized price, it took 130, so it's about 100 in something days, isn't it? So if we take that, guys, it's what, 4 months. So in 4 months we probably gonna comparing to the previous market, we probably gonna have a nice recovery. And this is it. This is what most people are saying, guys. Until the end of the year, we're gonna be in the recovery mode, okay, before we kind of reach the top. Okay, I found this is very interesting as well, that he says here, Bitcoin ready for major leg down to 9,000. I've seen this chart doing the rounds. Time to discuss some misconceptions. So he says here that we could go for 9,000, but this could be a misconception as well, because people are making these charts comparing all the previous markets. You can see here this kind of light yellow is 2013, this darker is 2017, and we're in 2021. If we compare this, we can go as low as this one here, you can see, which is 9,000 if we follow this market. But if we follow here, it's 12,000. You can see here, if we follow this dark to 2017, you didn't go as low as this one. So he's probably 12,000. This is what people are saying. But then he says, first, let's zoom out to provide some context where we are coming from. Two things stick out immediately. We really went sideways into this all-time high alignment, where comparing to previous point, blow off tops to flat distribution top. So see, that's why we cannot really trust that we're gonna go to 9,000 comparing, because they put the all-time high here, not here. Yeah, the second one. And some people are saying that the all-time high was this one because it was the biggest market cap, guys. Not it was the highest. Sorry, when Bitcoin was $65,000, the total market cap was the highest. So I think it was $3 trillion. When Bitcoin was at 69,000, it was below 3. So many people saying that although 69,000 was the top price for Bitcoin, but the biggest market cap was here at 65,000. Okay, so people saying that the top really should be here. Anyway, but compared to the previous market, you see what happened, guys. They had the blow up top, and in the previous bull run we didn't have that. So people saying that we should put the mark from here, which would kind of come to here already, right? If you take like this spacement here, from here to here, and put somewhere from here to here, would be somewhere like that now, that we should be, comparing to this one. So let's say we should reach this one here, which is below 20,000, could be more realistic, right? Which is 19,000. Also, people saying we easily can go to 19,000. So, and then he explains some more points here, going sideways into the all-time high. There's a lot of evidence that the November 2021 top could be seen like a higher high. So he put it here. Where is it? There's a lot of evidence that the November 2021 top could be seen like a higher high, and we have actually been correcting since the April 2021 top. Look at how the pink high wave for the current cycle is at all-time low for the alignment. Okay, so you can see here's the all-time lows here for the alignment if you compare to here to the bottom. Okay, so basically what he says is people are comparing previous cycles to this cycle, expecting that we go to $9,000, but we probably not gonna go to $9,000. So I think, like I said to you guys, I believe that we're gonna have still another leg down. Some people saying then the next leg down, it could be 19,000, and some people say 12,000. So what I have to say to you guys, I believe we can go as low as a 12,000, but it's gonna be a very fast thing. I keep saying this to you again. So that's why you have to look at the market every single day. It's gonna be a quick drop there. So some other news here, guys. Bitcoin and crypto adoptions. Guys, there's a lot of people adopting crypto, but if you see that we are in the billions, this is crazy. We have less than a billion people that already adopted crypto. You can see here that Asia is the biggest, 130 million people adopted crypto. North America 51, South America 27 million, Africa 53, which is makes me very happy to see Africa, although it's a huge continent, but it makes me very happy to see Africa adopting crypto. Really, really strong. But guys, there's so many nice bullish news here that is crazy. MasterCard will let Binance users to spend Bitcoin at 90 plus million stores. Another one that I saw here, Bitcoin mining facility on Lake Ontario upgrades the energy grid. Founded in 1895, Sullivan Bank has adopted Bitcoin. So guys, banks in Argentina is choosing Bitcoin. So banks, everything's adopting Bitcoin. They're making the energy greener for Bitcoin. And so adoption everywhere, MasterCard. So like we keep saying to you guys, we are at the best time of our lives, okay? Last news here. The Ethereum will migrate to proof of stake at approximately 12:30 a.m. UTC on September 15, 2022. This is the date we need to all pay attention to, and hopefully we're gonna have some nice surprise then. Maybe buy the news, sell the rumor kind of thing. Buy the rumor, sell the news. What up, post-astronauts? Welcome, my friend. We're finishing the show today. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? And share our content. Share, because
follow us on Twitter as well.
yeah, the world, Casca didn't change his Twitter, but his Twitter now is Casca B.
No, Casca, on Twitter is the same. Twitter is the same, Casca.
It's the same. Okay. So on YouTube now, guys, it's Crypto B, Casca new channel as well. Talk mostly about post-chain. And so yeah, check it out. So nice one, guys. See you tomorrow and have a great day. Don't forget to send us your questions as well and what coins you would like to see. Okay? Take care.
Guys. I will see you guys soon. Ciao.